What's up?
What's up, everybody? Today we're playing, what's this game called again? It's called Up Dog.
Yeah. You didn't let me answer the question.
Miles, what's Up Dog? What's Up Dog, Miles?
It's like up, but it's dogs.
Did you not get the joke that I just said?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What's up, dog?
Also, remember that jumps have like a 10-second cooldown, basically?
Oh, my dog's having a spasm. Okay. And
Yippee! I love it when that happens. I don't. Oh, up here.
Easy money. Don't worry.
Don't worry, it won't get too hard here.
It's gonna get really hard here.
Yeah, how much you bet? Let's go gambling, guys! Gambling!
Gambling for.
What was that? Jump over there. Over here. Oh my god!
Hold on, I got this. I was eating beef jerky, so that's my fault. Oh, ladder.
Why is there a lot? I don't trust that, Miles. Oh.
Don't fall next time. Wait.
Let's go all the way down here, Miles. Yeah, this was a trap, apparently.
Let's start.
Well, this sucks.
Indeed it does.
Why did I just randomly decide to ragdoll? I don't know what happened
Oh,
there.
now I'm ragdoll.
It won't even. It doesn't let you jump.
My legs are
jump
broken.
when another
Okay,
player is
my
rag.
legs. Ow! Oh, ow! I'll be back. Just give me a second.
Why does it when you ragdoll the other player cannot jump? And I think that's really annoying.
The other player can't jump. I love it. Oh my gosh. Easy money. Don't ask why I said easy money.
Go.
There's no reason to say it. It sounded cool.
Easy money, baby.
Easy money. Why'd you say it like that? Why'd you say all zesty?
Money.
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 Money. Money.
Money.
Money. Money.
Money.
Money. Honestly, Mr. Krabs can sell me for 56 cents. That's all I'm saying.
Wow, 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 wow.
56 cents and a piece of bubble gum.
Honestly, that's a good deal.
Don't worry. Yeah, we already read that. Okay. Gum. Oh. Easy money.
This time don't be. Thank you. Ah, yes.
You have to make this jump now.
Yeah, it's not that hard of a jump.
Why'd you moan?
Did we just double jump?
If we jump and then I jump on your head, while like, let's say I'm riding you, then you jump and then I jump on you.
Whoa! Whoa!
You need to calm down, buddy boy.
No.
Kitty!
Whoa.
What you want?
After a claw thorn.
What
do
can
you
you tell
want?
us about the cat-dog war? The war? A mess of
A war?
pride and
A
stubbornness.
mess of pride.
It all started with a stolen
It all
fish.
started with a stolen
That's
fish.
it. That was just a breaking point. It was a total mess before that. Okay.
It's epic.
Yeah. Wait, I want to look at him one more time.
Have a good night.
Wait, it's queso.
That looks. Why is it so detailed? I don't think that should be
Yeah,
that
you're banned.
detailed.
Have a good night.
Don't fall. Okay. Oh wait. If only the bridge didn't fall.
Okay.
Okay. Why did I get like a boosted jump? Like I jumped like way higher than I've ever jumped. Ooh. Ah. Booga. Booga.
Oh, it's easy.
Booga. Booga. Chuga.
Oh my gosh.
This isn't it.
This is it.
That's
No,
not
why'd
it.
you fall?
I didn't want to. It ragdolled me.
Respawn? Are you dead? Why is it telling me to respawn?
I don't know. Oh, you did the bush so
my head.
hard. Oh my goodness.
Buddy, I don't think you can say that. Wait, what does it mean, respawn? Hold up, I gotta take a bite on my beef jerky. Alright. Also, this video is gonna be a complete flop.
I feel like there's something in here.
The only thing that's in that hole is
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me read his
Dog
name. Cinnamon, cinnamon roll.
I've had enough eating a burger no honey mustard. Eating a burger no honey mustard.
Why is an orange called an orange, but an apple is not called a red? Oh my goodness! I can't take it anymore. Eating a burger with honey mustard. 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 I did not fall. I want to let you know that. Did I get like a teleport or something? What was that? I don't know, man. I'm already about to bust.
Me too.
Honestly, guys, if this video gets 5 likes, we'll do a part 2 because I did not want to do this again.
Yeah.
Yep, you're banned. Have a good night.
If we actually get 5 likes, I will be so mad. Because I hate this game so much.
It'll be like a mix of rage and anger, like rage, anger, and happiness.
I'm about to... Get over it. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
Just kill a man. I didn't know that. I killed a dog.
Yes.
I didn't know
Ah!
Yep, you're banned.
that. Gosh.
Have a good night.
Alright guys, I think this is the end of this video.
It's been like 5 minutes.
And not really much going on here. It's definitely gonna be a flop. Subscribe.